What if you could create editorial cartoons with AI? Titi is still away, but she says I should share this important update with you. Editorial cartoons have always been one of journalism's greatest tools. One image, no words, but everyone understands. For small newsrooms, though, it is not something they can easily explore because hiring an illustrator costs money most teams do not have. AI can help with that. Titi walked through a real editorial cartoon concept built around the Oyo school kidnappings and Children's Day. She will show you exactly how she did it. The thinking, the prompt, and the final image.
So we're going to be using Claude. The first thing you need to do is to get your story, and then the next thing will be to get visual metaphors. This is the prompt. I want to create an editorial cartoon. The idea is around the kidnap of teachers and students in Oyo State. And a lot of people have been talking about it, considering the celebration of Children's Day in Nigeria. Help with visual metaphors that illustrate this concept into an editorial cartoon. And so it gives me the first option, which is a birthday cake. A large Children's Day celebration cake sits center frame. Around it, government officials in Agbada hold microphones and make speeches behind them. Partially visible, children press their hands against a locked iron gate. I looked through all of the options and I liked the third option, which is a dilapidated Nigerian classroom, desk overturned, school bags, open exercise books, pencils, and bullet casings scattered across the floor, a teacher's chalk pushed back violently as if someone stood up suddenly, on the blackboard written in a child's unfinished handwriting, Happy Children's Day. On the wall above, a sign reading this. Through the window, a barbed wire fence, and beyond it, dark silhouettes of armed figures leading smaller silhouettes, children and adults away in a tree line. One balloon drifts upward above the fence. Alright, so I told it I prefer option 3, and I told it to give me a detailed image prompt so that I can generate with an AI tool. And this is the detailed image prompt it has given to me. So then you copy this image prompt and then you take it to an image generation tool. So this is ChatGPT, and I paste the prompt I got from Claude, and this is the image I got, which is very, very, very nice. So I'll take the same image prompt and go to Gemini. Let's see what Gemini would create. The same prompt in Gemini, and this is what Gemini has given me. Lastly, let's go to Meta AI to see what it would create. This is the image prompt in Meta AI. This was initially what it gave to me, and I did not want it in this aspect ratio, so I told it to recreate it in the 16 ratio, and that's like the YouTube aspect ratio, and then it gave me this. So you can just explore with different image generation tools and then pick the one that works best for you.
One thing before you go, if you use AI to generate a cartoon for your newsroom, disclose it. Tell your audience the image was AI generated. If you work in a small newsroom, share this with your colleagues. And if you want more practical AI tools for journalists, subscribe for new content every week. See you in the next one.